So hello guys, from today again I am going to start my communication skill practice, as from the last few days as I went to my hometown, due to which I was unable to record the video and post it. But yesterday I landed in Bangalore in my college, and again I am back to improve myself, to focus more on myself. So just I'm going to read the articles each and every day, and I'm going to summarize it in my own it I'm going to summarize the articles in my own words, instead of just speaking with the normal or random thoughts. So yeah, after 10 days I'm just again I'm speaking, due to which you can see the hesitations that I have, but it will change and improve. I have that much of confidence on myself, because if you will see my video of 1 year back, 2 year back, then you will realize that how much improvement I have made. And I used to fumble a lot while speaking, but now the thoughts and the words are getting a lot more clear as compared to earlier. So that is also point of discussion for me, and that will be helpful for me. But today I read first article is the growing competition between United States and China. So as from the last few years, you might be seeing the tariff war between China and USA. From the last few days after the Trump government came into the USA, you might have heard the tariff war between USA and China. Each country imposed some of the tariffs on each and every material that exported from their country. So this is not good for the global trade, because uh, China and America or USA is one of the major economies of the world. They are the superpowers. Whenever you talk about it in any field, irrespective of it, for example, you talk about military powers, technological advancement, infrastructure, in all these field, these all the China and America is the uh, developed countries, and they are the major economies of the world. If these both countries will fight together, that is surely going to impact the world trade organizations, world or the countries or the developing countries which are uh, heavily dependent on these countries. Because if two major economics will fight with each other, then there is for sure there will be impact on throughout the world, it can be seen. So, and the major reason for the conflict between both of them is Taiwan, because China claims that Taiwan is their own territory, and Taiwan is a part of China, but Taiwan runs its own democratic government. So that is the point of discussion. And in the back doors, China always claim that Taiwan is a part of it, but together America, USA government also supports Taiwan through the back doors, in the through the with the help of military powers and the technological and transfers. And as both of the countries are heavily investing in the AI, both the countries, you might have heard OpenAI, Claude, or DeepSeek. DeepSeek is from China, OpenAI, Claude is from America. Both of the countries are heavily investing in the artificial intelligence. So they both are also fighting with each other in the space exploration, uh, artificial intelligence, and technological advancement. So these are the fields in which they are fighting. Also they are having the rivalry between both of them in the semiconductor manufacturing. And as China have almost 80% of control on throughout the world rare earth minerals, because rare earth minerals are very important for the manufacturing of semiconductors. So that is also point of discussion. But at last conclusion will be there that both countries should talk with each other, and both countries should cooperate with each other, because if these both countries will fight together, these are the major developed countries, its impact can be seen throughout the world. Even India will also face, because India have the military tie-up between America, and India is heavily dependent on China for its electronic products, and it is very crucial for India to that America and China should not get indulged militarily, because if they will get indulged together, it will be harmful, and India can see the decrease in the growth speed of the uh, country. And the second article I read about is Arctic island. You might have heard that the Arctic island is all filled with ice. You have read earlier, but now due to the global warming and pollution, it is now getting melted. And if it will get melted, so that will easily connect Asia and Europe. So that will open up the path for many of the sea, because earlier all the land was covered with the ice, so it was very difficult for the sea to pass through it. But now it is easily possible for the countries to pass through it. So that is not a difficult task for the countries, but the countries who are near to the Arctic island, for example Russia, Netherlands, America. So these are the countries who are near to it. So they are also having and they are investing heavily. They are doing patrolling. So that is not good for the global economics, because most of the countries are fighting for those land, because they feel that if those all the lands are heavily rich in the natural minerals, rare earth minerals, all those minerals are supposed to be present heavily, due to which each and every country will fight who are near to that Arctic island. And many of the countries who are not near to it, for example India, China, they are heavily investing to it. They are heavily investing and doing the research on the Arctic island, because if they will get something or they know something better, that can be sold in the future when any other country will try to buy it. So these are the two articles I read, and I just try to explain you. I know that I'm not up to the mark. If you will tell me to rate myself out of 10, I will rate myself as 4 or 3, most probably not more than that. So that's it for me, and thank you for today. Today's date is 2nd July 2026, and that's it for today. Thank you. I believe that I have the potential to become a lot more better, and I will improve on myself. I just wanted to focus on myself and get lost in myself. I do not care about what world is doing, what fucking things other people are doing. So thank you.